Today, we will show you how to pair your new Garmin Edge 1040 or Garmin Edge 1040 Solar bike computer with your compatible Android smartphone or tablet. For this process, you will need your Garmin Edge 1040 device and a compatible Android smartphone with the Garmin Connect app installed. First, power on the Edge 1040. Then, select your desired language by selecting the check mark in the upper right corner. Your Edge 1040 device will now ask you to download the Garmin Connect mobile app. Select Continue. Sign in or create a new account. For this video, we will sign in to an existing Garmin Connect account. The Edge 1040 device will begin searching for your Android smartphone. Select Connect It when the Edge 1040 device is found. Select OK to let Garmin Connect link with your Edge 1040 device. Type in the passkey shown on the Edge 1040 device into the Garmin Connect app and select OK. The Edge 1040 device is now pairing with your Android smartphone. Select Next to continue the setup process. Select Transfer Current Sensors to transfer your current sensors to the new Edge 1040 device. You will see a message that says your sensors will now be paired with your new Edge 1040 device. Select Next. Select Transfer Activity Profiles to transfer your current activity profiles. You will see a message that says your activity profiles will transfer to your new Edge 1040 device. Select Next. Select Sync Now to finish the setup process. Select Finish when the sync is complete. The Garmin Connect app will now offer you a tutorial of the features on the device. Select Next to learn more, or skip if you are ready to ride. Select Finish. Your Edge 1040 device has now successfully paired with your Android smartphone. The Edge 1040 allows you to edit your activity profiles directly from the Garmin Connect app. Select the menu icon. Then, select Garmin Devices. Select your Edge 1040 from the list. Now, select Activity Profiles. Select an activity profile. Then, select Data Screens. And that's it! You're now ready to ride. For more help, go to support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.